I just love desert ecosystems, love the open skies, the big starry nights, the lack of people. I just love walking around out there and seeing new things and trying to understand what's going on. My name is Katherine Moseby. I usually tell people that I'm a conservation biologist, so I'm trying to work out ways to stop threatened species from going extinct. We have a lot of things that we're monitoring, the species themselves, but also the environment, the soils, the invertebrates, the plants, the birds, the reptiles, all those sort of things where we're just looking at how they all interact and trying to understand that ecosystem so that we can then take those learnings and apply them on a much broader scale. I co-founded Arid Recovery, that's a safe haven, and then we've also got Mallee Refuge at Secret Rocks, and then we've got Wild Deserts as well in Sturt National Park in New South Wales. So they're basically fences that we designed to exclude cats and foxes effectively. They've got electric wires and floppy overhangs. It's quite a neat little fence design. We started Arid Recovery almost 30 years ago now, so it was one of the first fence reserves to go up. And I think everyone was just so shocked that if you could get rid of cats and foxes, how quickly you could reintroduce animals that used to be there and how they would survive and increase and how much the ecosystem changed when you did that. We reintroduce species like bilbies. They dig for a lot of their food, and those foraging pits trap seeds, increases nitrogen and carbon in the soil, leads to increased germination. So it has lots of flow-on effects to other parts of the ecosystem. I'm honoured to receive the Fenner Medal. I look at the other people that received that medal and I feel quite humble. Although I'm the one receiving this medal, all the work that I do is definitely a team, and you can't do field ecology or Arizona ecology on your own. So I just wanted to say thank you to all those staff and volunteers and interns and colleagues that I've worked with, because, you know, I think we've achieved a lot of stuff together.